Did you order something online? No? Hey, what'd you get? What'd you get? Well, I think my cat was online and ordered something. I asked her about it and she shook her head no, but I'm thinking, yeah, she did. It might be something that we all enjoy. Might be a tool. Might be a tool. I like tools. That's right. We got the camera. A couple of user manuals. USB charger for it. The wire to go to it. Two of the little batteries. I believe that'd be for the microphone. It's got the microphone on it. The microphone to it. Better audio. Awesome. Two batteries for the camcorder. Let's see how this is. Sorry about the sniffles. It's getting chilly up here, North Carolina. Pretty little bag. Pretty little bag. Okay, comes with it. Oh. Ooh. Oh, that's gonna take. Ooh, that's gonna take at least a week to figure out how to work. All right. What to put in here? We've got the cat leaves hair everywhere. Like this is her personal house or something. This is to attach your microphone here, and then it plugs into your camera. I'm not totally oblivious to everything that goes on. Not totally. Oh, cute little pouch. I got it with it. Oh, what you got? See? Told you you ordered this. Shouldn't I tell you you ordered this? Yeah. It's mostly for videos for you, yeah. Yeah. I know, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Aw. Aw. You rubbing against everything. Aw. Look at that. Isn't that spiffy? If you're shooting video, make sure you take the lens cap off. Yeah, that's the thing. And you can open it up. It's got the functions right there, and you can tilt the camera like so. And then you got your record button over here. This is where the battery and the USB. It didn't come with one, so I got one. 32 gig, that should be enough. I got a 32 gig on my phone so that I can take video. And I finally got an adapter on top. Is the zoom in and out. And this little button on top is to take a still frame of whatever video you're doing. Got some lights on the front, so it does show off light. And here you can turn the light on and off. You pan up and down. This has the menu, whatever mode you want to shoot in, I believe. So,
All right. And this is the tripod. And boom. Look at that. I mean, it was like a 50-inch tripod. I have a small little tripod that 1 foot tripod. The camera's up maybe a foot, 6 inches. I use that for the phone, and I can probably put the camera on it too. It's light enough. And I also ordered this separately so that I can put the camera and the mic, because the mic is not going to fit inside that. See, there's 2 separate pouches and then batteries. So I put the batteries over on this side or something. So it's got a nice little, nice and soft handle. Put that around. And perhaps, look at that. Got a little zipper pouch right up in here so you can put something up in there. I hope that pocket's not too deep, and I can put the couple of these up in there. Put the batteries over on this side or something. Put the charger over on the other side or something. Look at that. Isn't something? Got this little cushion over on this side over here. It doesn't have one on that side, but it has one on this side. I guess put your lens over on that side so that nothing happens to the lens, I guess. But cute little pouch. They reuse these straps. Yeah. Look at your tongue hanging out. Oh, I went back in. Yeah. Got toys. Got toys for me. Where's your toys? Everything's a toy for you, huh? Everything's a toy for you. Yeah. So, you see my new toys. And I hope to shoot some videos for you.